Welcome to AWS IAM, the gatekeeper of your cloud empire. Imagine a digital bouncer deciding who gets VIP access and who stays at the door. IAM ensures that only the right folks can access the right resources, preventing security mishaps. It's all about control, permissions, and keeping hackers at bay. Let's dive in and make sure you own your cloud like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Why should you care about IAM user management? Well, imagine giving your Wi-Fi password to the whole neighborhood. Chaos, right? Proper IAM management prevents unauthorized access and ensures security policies are followed. It keeps auditors happy too. Plus, it makes life easier by organizing who gets what access instead of a free-for-all nightmare. Getting into the IAM console is easy, if you have the right credentials, of course. Think of it as entering a high-security vault where only authorized users can manage permissions. Just log in, find IAM, and explore the settings. From here, you control user access like a boss. Navigating to the users section is like checking your contact list. But instead of friends, these are accounts managing AWS resources. Click IAM, find users, and explore who's got access. Keep an eye out, you don't want unnecessary guests sneaking in. Creating a single IAM user. Simple. It's like setting up a new Netflix profile, enter the username, set permissions, and review. But instead of binge watching, they'll have access to AWS resources, hopefully responsibly. Want to create 20 users at once? That's a lot of clicks, unless you use bulk creation methods. CLI, SDK, or CSV upload makes life easier. Why do it manually when automation can handle the heavy lifting? Efficiency is key. Permissions are like VIP passes. You don't want everyone backstage. Assign roles carefully, follow the least privilege principle, and review access regularly. Otherwise, you might end up giving admin rights to your cat. Assigning policies is like setting up house rules. AWS provides built-in policies, or you can craft custom ones for specific needs. Attach them to users wisely. After all, you wouldn't want your intern accidentally deleting your production database. Managing users one by one is like herding cats, exhausting and chaotic. User groups allow us to structure access neatly, applying permissions once rather than repeatedly. This method reduces admin headaches and ensures everyone gets the right level of access without endless manual adjustments. Think of it like assigning roles in a play. You want the actors to know their part without micromanaging every move. IAM roles are like VIP passes, temporary access when needed, without the risk of long-term exposure. Instead of assigning permanent permissions, roles grant access on demand, keeping security tight. They also allow users to work across accounts securely. Just imagine lending your car keys for a short drive instead of handing them out permanently. Way less risky. Passwords alone are like flimsy door locks. You need an extra layer of security. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, ensures that even if a password gets compromised, bad actors can't get in without the second verification step. Think of it as a secret handshake plus a key. You need both to enter. Security is like brushing your teeth. Do it regularly or bad things happen. Strong passwords, limited privileges, and periodic reviews prevent unnecessary risks. IAM best practices help businesses stay safe from breaches, while ensuring users only have access to what they truly need. Prevention is always easier than damage control. If IAM security were a spy movie, monitoring logs would be your surveillance cameras. Keeping an eye on login attempts and behavior lets you detect suspicious activity early. When something doesn't look right, like a login from an unusual location, you can take action before it turns into a disaster. IAM issues can be frustrating, but they usually boil down to misconfigured permissions or authentication hiccups. Just like troubleshooting tech problems, Sometimes you need to check the basics first. If a user can't access something, it's likely due to missing permissions or MFA issues. A little patience and a structured approach go a long way. We've covered IAM essentials, from setting up secure access to troubleshooting issues. Security is an ongoing journey, not a one-time fix. Keep refining your policies, educating your teams, and staying up to date on best practices to maintain a strong defense. And remember, security isn't just an IT concern, it's a team effort. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.